Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove unknown devices from Facebook. If you are using Facebook and you want to remove unknown devices if your account logged in, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your Facebook app. Just open Facebook. Now once you are in Facebook, you just have to click on the profile icon in the top right, click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Now once you are in your Facebook setting, you just have to click on account center, and here you just click on password and security. And here you might see the option of where you're logged in, just click on it and then select your Facebook account. Now here you can see the multiple devices you're logged in. Here with this device, and here are the multiple devices I have logged in. Just click on select devices to log out. I have only a single device, my phone. Just have to click on it, select that, click on log out, and then click on log out again, and your account will be completely logged out from your other devices. Once you are logged out, you can easily change your password to prevent your account. So in this way, you can easily log out from your multiple devices. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.